Today I'm doing my version of Ecuadorian ceviche. This is really easy. It takes about 30 minutes of prep and about an hour in the refrigerator for it to marinate. And then you have this really cool, refreshing, crisp ceviche that you can eat during the summertime, right? So I hope you stay with me. We're going to cook up the shrimp a little bit for the ceviche. And we're going to use this beer. This is a sour beer. It's a rosé sour beer. I personally like it a lot. So I'm going to try this in it. Just going to get it in this pot, get it boiling. All right. I'm just going to take a couple cans, so I'm going to do another can in here. All right. This beer is so good, by the way. If y'all haven't tried it, you should. You can get it at like a liquor store, whatever, but it's this crooked stuff. He's just laughing at me. It's delicious. I love it. All right. So it's already starting to boil, so we're going to give it a little bit of time, though, and then we're going to put the shrimp in. So I have 2 pounds of this medium, deveined, detailed, de-shelled, whatever shrimp. And we're going to go ahead and get them in the boiling beer. And this won't take very long to cook, by the way, so I'm trying to be pretty quick about this. I'll probably have to do it in 2 different segments here. Or maybe not. Yeah, I am. All right, so these guys are cooking really fast. You basically just want them to turn pink, and then once they do, you want to get them out. So just letting them get a little bit pink. All right, I don't want them to get too done either because I'm just going to cook them too. So it's been about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 tops. And I'm going to go ahead and get these guys out. You can see that they're a pretty pink color. I don't want to get them too done because the lime juice is going to cook them as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in this ice bath. And the ice bath, it's just ice, water, and salt. But it's going to stop these guys from cooking anymore. And it's going to keep them nice and salty so they stay tender and snappy and delicious. So I have 10 squeezed limes in here already. We have this presser, so I pressed them all, so it's quite a bit of lime juice. This is just 1 red onion, and it's been in ice water with salt for, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. That was so it doesn't have that real sharp bite that red onions have. So I'm going to take the red onion out of the ice bath that it's in. We're going to go ahead and put it in the lime juice. Get it going first. Excuse my hands. It's just Jeff and I, so I guess it doesn't matter that I'm using my hands. He doesn't care. Okay. So that's going to go in the lime juice. I'll put that over there. Then I have 3 red tomatoes and 1 yellow tomato. And I just diced those up. I'm going to put those in there as well. This is 1 green onion. I just learned about green onions that there's female and male green onions. So this was a female, or bell pepper. Bell pepper. It's a female bell pepper, not green onion. I'm sorry. All right. This is a jalapeno diced up, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, so you can correct me if I'm wrong. A cubano. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but you can correct me. This is a 1/2 cup of just tomato juice. Put that in there. So the recipes that we looked at, they all called for ketchup, and I'm not a ketchup fan. So I substituted ketchup with tomato juice and datil pepper sauce. So this is a 1/4 cup of datil pepper sauce. This is 1 orange squeezed, again with that that squeezer thingy that we have. And then I just chopped up a big bunch of cilantro. I don't know exactly how much it was, I just used a whole bunch. Then this is, it's just 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And I use grapeseed oil only because that's what was in the cupboard. I mean, use whatever you feel like. Alright, and now we're going to get out these shrimp. They have been soaking in the ice bath for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. So we're going to go ahead and get them out. They're nice and chilled. We'll put them in here. Alright. This is going to be so delicious. Alright. Now we're just going to mix it all up. And once we get this mixed together, we're going to put it back in the refrigerator, and it's going to sit for about 2 hours and kind of marinate together. Let all those juices get into the shrimp and let the finish cooking the shrimp. And then it'll be ready to eat. The good part, right? Alright. I couldn't wait. It's been an hour, and I had to get this stuff out of the refrigerator because I'm hungry and I want to eat it. You can wait another hour, like I was originally going to let it marinate longer, but you don't have to, alright? So, it smells fantastic. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this martini glass, and then we're going to eat it, which is the best part, right? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this in here. We definitely need a little bit of the jalapeno, so let me get some jalapeno in there. Alright. Don't need all that onion. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Smells so good. I so wish that you all could smell this, because that's like, it smells so good. Alright, put some more shrimpies on there. A little bit of juice over the top. I'm kind of clumsy. Oh yeah, that looks wonderful. Alright. Perfect. So now's the best part, I get to taste it. I'm so excited. I've been like waiting and waiting. Alright, so I'm going to get a shrimpy. A little bit of tomato. I want a little bit of the yellow tomato here. Oh, shrimpy, come back. Uh-oh, I dropped him. This is really difficult for me to get what I want. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm ready. That's so good. It's got a little bit of spice to it. I put that daddle pepper in there. It's really good and really fresh. You can really taste the cilantro in this. It's delicious. The shrimps are really crunchy. So they didn't get overcooked by cooking them first and then putting them in the lime juice. I know like traditional ceviche just cooks in lime juice, but this you cook prior to. But it's super good. I really think you should try it. It's delicious. And thanks for watching another one of the videos. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell.